Hey there guys, today I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to make crispy french fries. But before we do to the actual cooking, let's start with the ingredients. Let's see. So today I'm going to show you the ingredients. First of all, you need water, as much as you need. For me, I'll get 2 potatoes, and that's as much as 1 portion. So if you're having more than 2 people, then get at least 3 potatoes. We have crispy flour here for making the french fries crispy, and 2 dipping sauce if you need. But you will also need a pot and a knife. That's all you need for now. Okay, so before we actually go into the cooking, first we need to cut up the potatoes, and we'll see you right there. After cutting all the after cutting all the potatoes, I'll need to just cut it into long strips and pieces and then put it in the fryer. So after that, we'll just cut 2 right there. Okay, after cutting it all into small pieces like this, all we need to do is just fry them now. Okay, so while we're frying up the potatoes, we'll prepare the mixture first for the actual potatoes. So cook it up until it's about a golden brown, which will take up to about 10 minutes. You doing it? Okay, so we're using this mixture, but if you guys are at home, you can use any mixture you want. We're just using this one.
Aduk-aduk.
Okay, so after we're finished cooking up the fries, we'll put it into our mixture that we already made for us to later on put it back into the fryer to cook it up again. Okay, so after we mix it thoroughly with our mixture, we're going to put it back into the fryer. But this time not too long, considering that we're not actually cooking the french fries this time. We're cooking up the mixture that is inside of the actual french fries. Now you'll be cooking this for at least about a whole minute, but not too long, not the other time. Considering we're just cooking up the actual mixture instead of the french fries. So basically wait until it's the golden brown, then just take it out of the grill and we'll cut it right there. The end result should be like this. What you would usually use is grated cheese on top and then some milk. But what we end up doing is just get some sauce and then eating it with this. And just like that, I guess that's over. Hope I get a good grade.